guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Anna Grachova. I'm an investment advisor and I work with extremely rich clients. Today I would like to tell you more how to earn a lot of money and become a well-known specialist in your specific theme. Because of the fact that I have my own professional community for experts, for example, real estate brokers, stock market managers, art dealers, and other sailors with whom I share my experience and help them to build a lucrative brand, I have a lot of things to tell you. So, nowadays the competition is extremely high, and not only the quality of services lead to a big amount of money that you can earn. There are different aspects that you should develop if you want to be a well-paid specialist who work with clients. I know that this process is quite complicated, but I really think that using my knowledge it will be useful for you and you will be able to build something really great, because you should win this competition. If you don't use social media correctly and also share your personality with your potential clients and also your real clients, you will not be able to earn a lot of money. There are a lot of real estate brokers, stock market managers, art dealers who can help a client as he wants. And you shouldn't be the best in reality, but you should know how correctly to share your opportunities, and then people will want to work with you. I will make a lot of videos in this YouTube channel because it is my way of helping others, those who don't know how to close deals, to earn money working with clients, how to run their social media when they work 24 hours per 7, so who work all day, who are not self-employed, who really needs to work great, not to lose their jobs. In many situations, people think how they thought some decades ago, and what worked that time is not reasonable now. If you want to become a well-paid specialist now, you should follow new rules. You should do everything correctly and become not the best in any aspect, but to be great in some specific items. to know how to delegate some services, some kind of job, how to build this lucrative brand, personal brand. It is like building reputation, but in modern world. People, like clients, they want to work with those who they trust, who they think are good specialists, and with whom they want to communicate. So if you know how to show your clients your initial wishes, your approach to life that they want to see in reality. So it is like a building person, specialist in the eyes of clients. If you don't do this, you will lose this game. So nowadays, again, people buy from other people, and if they don't see some aspects that they want to see, nothing will work at all. So I hope that my videos will be useful for you. Don't forget to subscribe. See you later. Bye bye.